Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to use PageFly on Shopify in 2023. So as an e-commerce entrepreneur, you understand the importance of having a visually appealing and functional online store. Shopify is an external platform, and as you can see, we are over here, and it is like creating an online store, obviously. But sometimes the default theme customization options might not be enough to achieve the desired result. So this is where PageFly comes in. So let me search PageFly right now. PageFly, and once you open their pagefly.io, you will see that like something like this. So PageFly is a very powerful drag and drop page builder, by the way. So it allows you to create stunning, highly customized and pages on your Shopify store without any coding knowledge. It offers like a variety of pre-designed templates, which is very useful, and blogs that you can use to create pages for your home pages and product pages, collection pages, and many more. In this video, we will show you how you can get started with PageFly, how to use its features to create stunning pages, and some tips and tricks to make the most out of this powerful tool. Whether you are a beginner or like experienced Shopify user, this video will give you the knowledge and skills you need to take your Shopify store to the next level. So let's dive into the world of PageFly and start building. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go back over here and you need to click on apps. So what it does, it will open up like this, and you need to search PageFly over here. So click like write down PageFly and enter. It will create a new window for you, and you will end up in the App Store of Shopify, where you can find multiple options or multiple applications over here. And the first one is over here, PageFly Landing Page Builder, free to install, drag and drop to build landing, product, home, and blog pages. So this is very useful for a lot of people. Click on PageFly landing page, obviously, and click on add application. So once you click on add application, you will end up back on Shopify, and you can see that over here it is going to link our Shopify account with PageFly landing page account. So once you connect that, how you can do that, just click on this button, install application. Once you click on that, it will take you to the new window again and open up pagefly.io, where you can just easily start creating your own store. So here you can see get started, obviously, and this is the dashboard. On the left side we have analytics, pages, sections, PageFly add-ons. If you want to add more things, you can integrate PageFly also. If you click on that integration, you will like add more products over here. And obviously you can see over here Shopify product reviews can be integrated also over there, and there are a lot of options over here, but we are not going to talk about that because this is not about that tutorial, right? And we have referral programs, trash, whatever you're going to delete, it will end up over here. And we have some settings over here. We can just go back to the dashboard, and you can see over here we have so many options, like obviously the version, resources, and recommended Shopify apps, recent pages, and everything related to it. We have analytics. What is analytics? Which is very useful in my opinion, because whatever is going to happen in like once you create your page, and after creating your page, you can just easily see that how many conversion rate is going on, product views, visitors, how many visitors are coming in, sessions, revenue, add to cart, page assignment, and all those things. So you can see regular page would be would appear over here, your home page would appear over here, product page, collection page, as we talked about this before. So how you can create your page, which is very important, right? On the left side we have pages. Click on that and you can see all those pages over here. And right now I'm just going with a regular page because obviously this is a tutorial. You can just go with the product pages. If you want to create a store for product, just click on product pages. Blog post page, you can just click on that. So click on obviously any one of them, whatever you are working on, and go ahead and do that. Every single everything would be very similar. So I'm just going with a regular page. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. On the right side, you can see we can create from a template, and we can create from like blank canvas, only white background, and start from the building from the zero. But for me, you can just like go ahead and use template, because templates are very useful. And it's like you can see over here, there are so many templates they are showing us, and you can just get the help from it. And obviously we will talk about this later because we can edit them also. And you can just import pages if you have that already. But right now I'm just going to click on create from a template. Once you click on create from a template, you can see we have categorized numbers over here: integration templates, blog post page, and contact page, about page, whatever you are going to create. And for this tutorial, I'm just going with a random one, obviously, just to show you how it works. And you can see, just let's just say you have a product page, right? And we have these products over here. So I'm just going to click on preview, and how it looks like in a website version. You can see it's very clean and very aesthetically clean, and you can see the pricing very easily, even though I'm scrolling very fast, So now you can also click on this view. This is obviously a mobile view, as you can see over here. So this looks good in my opinion. So just click on select this template if you are going to create from this template, and you will end up over here, and you can see every session, every heading, every column can be editable. So how you can do that? And just remember that whatever you are going to work on, like obviously this is a website page, right? And you can change that view from over here on the top right corner. Go with the mobile, and just always look at mobile version also, because sometimes whatever you are going to edit over here, sometimes it doesn't look good on mobile. So just go ahead and later on, first obviously you can just edit over here, then just go ahead and check out mobile version also. So I'm going with this website version simply. And on the left side, we have some options over here. We have add elements, Shopify elements, add third-party elements, and add third-party applications if you want to add that. So the first one is add application. So not element, sorry. So it's very easy to understand. These are some layouts which you can add. So this is the layout, as you can see over here. This is the layout. And if you want to add something right below over here, just click on elements, and you can just drag that over here and drop it. Simple as that. Drag and drop. Everything is going to work on that. And if you want to edit this further, on the right side we have properties related to this only, and you can just hide. You can just hide them like on mobile version. If you don't want to show that on mobile version, it's all on you. You can set the hide. You can just change the name if you want, and all those animation. If you can change the animation if you want. So and we have so many options over here on the left side. You can add slideshows for the pictures if you want. You have your content list if you have so many content, and you want to add reviews at the bottom of the screen, your page. You can just drag and drop over there and add pictures of them, and it's all on you, whatever you are going to create on your store. And accordion over here, we have headings over here. If I drag that over here and add that, you can see we can just easily obviously we can just grab them and duplicate, delete, copy style, paste styles. It's all on us, whatever we are going to do. I'm just going to write over here mobiles. Obviously this is a mobile app template, so that's why. And I'm going to select this, and you can see over here we have our headings over here and every single thing. I'm going to set this bold, obviously, and that's it. So you can just set the styling if you want. Like you just need to select them. And spacing, you can set the spacing if you want. You can set the background if you want. You can see over here, you can set the background image if you want to add a background image. And there's a lot of options we can do over here. We have Shopify elements also over here, but we can just like look around over here, like what else over here. We have headings, paragraph. Obviously if you want to add paragraphs, like add some details or anything related to about your store, you can just add that paragraph and start writing in it. You have your buttons over here, like call to actions. You can just add this button and they can directly call you. It's all on you, whatever you are going to add. You have your listings over here. You have your HTML and liquid. You can add that. You can add icons if you want. You can add dividers. What are dividers? You can just create like as you can see over here, we have smartphone over here, we have mobiles over here, and if I add divider over here, so it makes a difference, like how it looks like. So as you can see over here, we get the idea, like grab the exclusive deal, sorry, and you have your smartphone and laptops and smartwatch. Obviously you can add pictures from on the right side, select collection, and every single thing is very like easy to understand. And we have our images over here, social media, YouTube video, Vimeo video if you want to add those, and you can add your Instagram feed also. There's a lot of options over here. You have your QR code also over here. And the second option is add Shopify element. You can add Shopify elements if you want. If you have already in your Shopify, you can add that over here. You can see collection list, collection details, collection image. If you want that to add your page, you can also do that. You can edit every single thing over here. You just need to give a tag to this this website, and you will add every single thing. And obviously you have your third-party elements and even applications over here, which most of them are very paid. So let's leave it at it is, I guess. And once you're done with your editing, just click on save. Obviously, name the title. Obviously, I'm just working with the like mobile. Save. Don't remind me. Got it. And you can. Do you want to enable autosave? Don't ask me again. Just I'm going with this normal, and I'm going to click on publish. Simple as that. Once it's published, you can see over here we have our page, like URL over here. Publish this, and using free publisher slot 1, publish, and you can see on the like top right corner it's publishing and page published successfully. So you can see over here it has been published, and if you want to preview it, just click on this eye. It will open up like this, and if I refresh this page, maybe I can see our page over here. Like click on online store, go to your pages, wait for a while, and you will see that mobiles are over here. View your page and it will open up my page. So this is how you know how to create a very fascinating and desirable store for your own Shopify store. So I hope you understand every single thing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope that you found this, like the information we shared today, helpful in creating an amazing e-commerce store that stands out from the rest. If you have any question or comments about PageFly or this tutorial, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Bye bye. Take care.